Hello, my name is Fred Alexander Arenas Bedoya, student of the International Open in Distance University, UANAD. The course in Valuation and Negotiation, February 2020. Explain the forms, types of innovation, and their importance to create and capture value. One, routine innovation is based on existence of company in technology skills and the figure you have is business models and their ability custom-based and integrated powerful microprocessors which has allowed this company to mine high learning and has boosted growth for decades or the expand into the new version of the Microsoft Windows and the Apple phone. To innovation. Disruptive innovation category named this hard Bushiner School Voyage Claire Prisoner is required Academy Bushiner model with necessary and technology advance for the iteration to the six under Bushiner models of further Bushiner. For the example, Google and Android separation model thereby systems property dispute companies like Apple and Microsoft not because of the major technical differences of the version of not Android have the free they Apple and the Microsoft's operating system are not. True innovation, radical innovation. Of the possibilities of the this proactive innovation and the college here is properly technological logical in the entries of the genetics, engineering and biotechnology and sovereignty and safety and approach to discovery this example. Stanley Parents, pharmaceutical companies with decades of the experience in the criminal disease synthesize groups facet and major obstacle in the constructions of competence in molecular biology, good biotechnology derivative tools fit well with the vision models on the company, which we call it for large investigants in MSD, FNSLB, FNSMAC products, mining products, for innovation, architectural innovation, combines technology and interrupts vision models and extemporary reduces photography shows. First companies like Kodak and Polaroid entertain the world and met dominant comparatively new skill and shows that electrons of camera basics software and displays technology on also and makes feelings why makes our products from the cameras instead of disabled films, paper, terminal products, progressing term service, cloud, artificial innovation are the most challenging challenges for headings to chase. Thank you very much.